Short on time? This tutorial will guide you through creating a sleek 3-option slide efficiently and professionally. Let's get started. First, begin with a fresh slide featuring a gradient background. Add a 12-point star shape to create the base of our setting. Now, add an oval shape and duplicate it for later use. Adjust the initial shape to fit the oval. Then select both shapes and use the union function to combine them. Next, bring back the duplicated oval and use it to intersect with the combined shape, giving our slide the initial structure of a setting. Let's create an options list to enhance our design. Add a pie shape and adjust it to form the basis of the options list. Quick tip, I've got 200 slides made, especially for professionals like you. Make sure to check them out. Then, insert a right triangle shape to serve as a stand for our options and send this to the back. Do you like what you see? Next, add an oval shape to hold the title. Apply gradient colors to make it visually appealing. Finally, adjust the colors throughout the slide to complete the design. Adjust the text as needed. For more design hacks and template ideas, be sure to join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. And there you have it. Your 3-option slide is complete. For more templates and presentation tips, be sure to explore my other videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.